Not Chennai.
See, I'll tell you in terms of the
Chennai is facing a water crisis. Has that been
commercial absorption, if it picks, with definitely being stable for last 3-4 years, with commercial supply coming that particular belt, we feel that Pallikaranai-Medavakkam-PTR road becomes one of the important destinations as far as the resi absorption is concerned. Same is the case with the Guindy Mount Poonamallee High Road. Take Mount Poonamallee High Road, you've got DLF, as he said, you've got Reja coming out with pretty decent supply, you've got RMZ also coming out with a pretty decent supply. So the entire stretch of Guindy and Mount Poonamallee High Road and Pallikaranai-Medavakkam road, Pallikaranai becomes a great micro market, because the moment the supply comes, commercial supply comes and the absorption starts, with a lag of close to about 12 to 18 months time, you will see resi also turning positive in that particular micro market. And we have not taken that perspective. From that perspective, to be very frank, because we still treat the current crisis as an aberration. From that perspective, we still believe these are the two hotspots from all the parameters that we looked at. So these are certain parameters we looked at in terms of various aspects, in terms of connectivity, quality of life, real estate. The customers are moving towards a micro market. We looked at the developer, the quality of developer in that particular micro market. So three aspects we looked at before getting into the hotspots. One, quality of life, the kind of expect the market to pick up and do exceedingly well in the next 6 months' time. This is as far as the H1 report is concerned. With respect to Chennai, we also had come out with reports across India, which is on the top 2 or 3 micro markets, which is the hotspots in the residential market. Economy with these hotspots,